Hey again, let's be talking in this video about linked list. So to get started, I will create a new file. I name it LinkedList and demo. So linked list is something I really prefer to use because the size. So the idea behind linked list is this: when you have one element, we'll create a node for that element. When you have another element, it will add a second node for the second element. When you have a third element, it will add the third node for the third element. So always it will use only the required size. It's not like array list. It's not like array. So what's the benefit of linked list? Linked list, when you want to manage your size, you make sure you use only the size that you want to use. You should use linked list. If you care about size, you should use linked list. If you care about fast query, linked list will not be your friend, because linked list, when you search, for example, let me suppose this one A, and this one B, and this one C. Let me suppose you search for B. You cannot give it index 2. You should go for the first node. Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes. So you need to visit the node. So it need take n time to access to the element. So when you have to use linked list, whenever you want to manage the size, whenever the size is important. When the query is fast, don't use linked list. Use array list or use array. So I would define a code. I already defined it. All what I need to do, I will just copy whatever code I have it in array list. And I will not change anything. This funny thing. All what I change, instead using array list, I will say linked list. Okay? And I still have same feature that I have it in the array list. I still could add element to the nodes because it's adding. And also I could print them by index. I could print them by object. I could search for a specific thing. So very funny, very easy, very straightforward. The idea behind this video is let you know what's the difference between array list and linked list. I would prefer using linked list all the time when I want to manage the size, especially for mobile applications, because I don't want to use a lot of memory. So I say I have a dog, I have a cat, and I think I need to quit now. Okay, so when I put a quit, it should show me dog cat, and you tell me your cat is qualified. So what I tell you, like internal structure for both array list and linked list are same. I mean, how to use it, it's similar. See, I didn't change any code. The difference between these two is the internal structure. This one is using nodes, one node connected to other. This one using array of elements. Here we done. Thank you for watching and see you next.